The tribunal, which delivered its ruling on Tuesday afternoon, said that the registrar of political parties erred in dissolving PNU and merging it with other Jubilee parties. In the ruling, the tribunal stated that the registrar failed to establish that the dissolution of PNU was signed by an unauthorized official who had no powers to act on behalf of the party. The registrar has been given 14 days to publish a new gazette notice ratifying its disengagement.
The court has ruled that the instruments of merger were registered and indeed the gazette notice signed in advance of the merger of the political parties. How incompetent and confused can a public official be?
Separately, 60-year-old George Kariuki has amended his court documents where he wants the court to compel the family of the late William Ole Ntimama to have his body exhumed in order to extract tissue samples that will help him prove their relationship. The High Court declined to stop Ntimama's burial as requested by the plaintiff, with Justice Joseph Onguto saying that Kariuki should have done the tests before the former heritage minister died. Elsewhere, the Coalition for Reforms and Democracy has been enjoined in a petition filed by a city lawyer challenging the new amendment elections law that were assented to by the President Uhuru Kenyatta last month. CORD has subsequently appointed Apollo Mboya and Antonio Luoch as its lawyers to represent it in the petition. Justice Joseph Onguto gave the parties, who include the Attorney General, National Assembly, Senate, and the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, IEBC, a time frame to file their responses to the petition filed by Mugambi Imanyara, who says the act brings to effect the submission of names of candidates for elections by political parties to be at least 60 days before the election, saying the provisions are unconstitutional.
Yours is yours, us is us.
Finally, Mihang Ward MCA Paul Kadoz, who was arrested yesterday after taking part in demonstration, has been freed on a 300,000 shillings bond. During the demonstrations, residents engaged police in running battles following the blocking of a link road by the Kenya Defence Forces. Lilian Otieno for Scales of Justice.